You gotta go get it. I like accidentally stumbled upon this at my beauty supply store. I don't even remember the wig I was actually going in for because she's irrelevant at this point. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian. If you are new here, thank you for visiting and welcome to my channel. Y'all, let me hop into it, okay? This hair, this wig is so bomb. It exceeded my expectations, okay? I went to my beauty supply store yesterday to look for a wig. I don't even remember her name. I don't even know what it is. I saw this hair on the mannequin and I felt it and I was like, wait. I looked at the price and I was like, wait. And then they had them in stock and I was like, what? I got this hair. It is a synthetic wig with the blown out texture of natural hair, and I went and pulled out some of my edges on the side just a little bit because I didn't want to glue it down right at the moment because I am a head sweater. If you are a head sweater, make sure that you comment down below because we out there for real. And so I just did not want to put got to be glue on my head or glue on my head and then it be slipping throughout the day because my forehead is sweating. That's not cute. Anyways, I have to stop talking and jump right into the video so that y'all can just see what it looked like out the pack and everything just about this hair, baby. I'm so excited. So stay tuned. You're about to see. Bye. Okay, y'all. So I'm super excited to actually try out this wig on my head, and it is the Neesha Soft and Natural by Outre, and that's what the package looks like. And I just found it at my local beauty supply store. I'm super excited to get into this, so let me go ahead and take it out the pack. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's super long though, I ain't gonna lie. So I might cut it because I'm only 5'2", so we're gonna see how long this is on me. Alright, so this is the little stock card that comes in the package. I got her in a number 2. Alright, so underneath, basically, you have this little parting space for the middle part, which normally I do like side parts, so we'll see. And so it has the middle parting space, it has the lace, and then the parting space on the side. It has the 2 combs in the front and then 1 comb in the back right here. And then of course you have your adjustable straps right here. So let me plop this bad boy on. Ooh, ooh, baby. This is so long. I never wear hair this long. Okay, let's see. Let me take these rings off. So it's giving me a little cone in the back, so I definitely have to adjust the straps. It feels so good. It literally just feels like blow dry natural hair. That's crazy. Ooh, this is gonna be cute. Actually, you know what? Normally I have to like adjust the straps off back because I don't have a big head. Shout out to the little head girls. Shout out, type in little head lady. Put little head lady in the comments. If you got a little head. Wow, I really don't have to like, we don't see when I take the lace off, but normally off bat I'm like, let me go ahead and tighten these. I tighten them before I even try it on. And once I saw this wig and I went and looked at the reviews of it and stuff, which it was a ton of reviews, but a lot of people were saying that it was big head friendly, but I don't have a big head. And it's friendly to me. Normally I go in and pluck and stuff like that. It's supposed to already be pre-plucked, so we're gonna see what that's looking like. And if I decide to pluck, I don't know if I'm gonna do it on camera yet because I'm supposed to be going to the gun range, but I'm over here recording and trying on wigs and they already there. So I'm gonna try to hurry up. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me just cut the front first. So I'm just cutting close to the knots, like right in front of it. Usually I do foundation powder, but I didn't have the color I wanted. So I'm gonna just put this all over. I did go ahead and adjust the straps one time on both sides. And so let me see. Okay. Okay. Ooh, it's in my eye. I don't think I do. I don't think I want to wear a cap. Let me take my cap off. Ah! I feel like it is a little bulky in the back, so I'm trying to figure that out. Do I got a cone head or that's just me? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna try to just pull out just a little bit of my edges instead of doing baby hairs. So let me see. Alright, so I'm going to go on top of my part just a little bit with my foundation. It's the Super Stay foundation. What color is this? 356 Warm Coconut. So I'm going to just go in with that just a little bit. Like a little bit. Okay. I would customize the front more, but I feel like since it is a natural hair wig, like textured wig, that it's supposed to be full. It does have a few little layers here, which is cute. That's real cute. Let me show you how long this is going to be. It is cute though. I might mess around. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So I'm gonna wear it. Can I wear it behind my ear a little bit, a little some. Oh snap! That's actually decent. Look at that. This is so cute. Okay, I might cut it just a little bit. The thickness of the hair is actually perfect. Like, I would not change it at all. Normally I have to go in and take a whole bunch of hair off because it's too thick. There's already layers in it, which is beautiful. Very, very natural cut. It's hot, but that's expected because it's a wig and it's long. Right now I can't tell of like a, right now I can't really tell about like a, any tangles or shedding or anything like that. I do think I might take off just a tad bit. Cause it's just so long to me. Let's see. I think I might take off like this much. Let me see. Oh my gosh, but I love how it falls. Difference. I took off like that much of one side. That's crazy. That wasn't even a lot, but I feel like that makes me feel better. It really is not. I mean, it's not a huge difference because I still like the length, but instead of it coming down here, it now is coming right here, and I like that a lot. Baby, this is cute. And I might do some got to be just like right here and blow dry it just so that it stays a little better. But sis, this is it. It's so cute, and for it to be synthetic is bomb. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. I absolutely love this wig. Like, the texture is everything. Like, if you wanted just some natural looking, straight, blow dry natural hair, affordable wig, like, this is it, okay? Like, no stunt at all. Like, none. I'm so hyped right now. And so at my local beauty supply store, it was like $45. You might be able to get it cheaper online. If so, I'm going to link it down below. But you gotta go get you this. You gotta go get it. I like accidentally stumbled upon this at my beauty supply store. I don't even remember the wig I was actually going in for because she's irrelevant at this point. So this is the final product. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if this is bomb. If this is bomb, this hair is so bomb, comment below. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to see more videos like this. I'm so hyped right now. I'll see y'all later. Bye. Love y'all.